it. I love it. I want some more.
Yeah, Abusafo, once again, the new era of Hero Self Herbal, which is Hero Self GH. Now, I'm saying my YouTube channel and all other social media platforms, especially the Hero Self GH. You know, the man say every day be at least I need to post 2 videos and open a number. At that be a look a bit less busy, no, about 3 times within the day and open a number. So, but more than I say, over check Hero Self every day for new videos, and this video will surely change your life. And the Hero Self Herbal will take every day 1 video. Every day 1 video will go to that channel. So Heal Yourself Herbal no English form 1 video every day. But the Heal Yourself GH will contain at least 2 or 3 videos a day, morning, evening, and hot afternoon. So the afternoon one at times will be optional because of maybe the relative busy or will be. But the morning and the evening one will not fail. So let's yeah, Abusafo once again, and next year that for a few things. Be and a restoration. How to restore things for yourself. You move bebre no. Say the deep can say be pressa. Onipa bi anyakopon bo special. E burubi de ti bayra ho mu a amma bayra nyede amma akese. Nti die nti na wo nkwa de niema enye ye mfa ma. What try ya why de also ye bi niema nye ye. You need to restore certain things for yourself. And how can you do these things? And no no ha ya me de ne bebre. But before that, there are lots of things I me no ye ya at times emma eniema be free and chenko. So we listen to this short audio and I will just explain later before we move to the today lesson. So quick one, let's move on.
Sebimu gunsa from ancestors a. Na sakoba no se bia ne nana na ogunsa afre no yasan wo na hwan ne beti mpaibon.
That is the question. Tell unim say onipa bia ye meba de kire no so for restoration, but let me do this quickly because of the audio we listen to. Tell ye bom paye etimi bom paye in the name of our ancestors. Tell and I say not even in the name of prayers. Summit way, a be a wodofo bi, me maame bi, me papa bi, me nua bi, and I be a me nana bi, me dofo bi every moko. So the moment I make any pe na me raho, e bi na mo na picture me kipu. Na chese say ni pan bi don ye na woko, enko tia se anka respect me ni bibia. But you know one thing. Onipa bi obo abrabom bia no, you have connection with that person. So onipa na wafri woncha wa wuko no in terms of reincarnation, in terms of don't reincarnation di. For those who believe in reincarnation, that person has been reincarnated back to your life. So, treat that person with respect. Ona nana wa wuna de bia fa ne picture na wura ho na wo bom pema odofo bia huna na wura ho hu ne picture na wo su no. Sa adofo no nko wote woncha nka abajeje ne so no. Waba. That person has been reincarnated. So, umma wa wo no. That person can be among them. That person can be among what? Your friends. That person can be among what? Those around you. And it's obi ba na ti wo nchen yo oni pa bi o wo nchen no may end up to be your reincarnated loved one be. So treat that person respect. Men treat somebody badly wa bra se na wi anu akofa wo maame bi e wo fe no wo maame de na wo dowo e na wo su unim se abofra na bi a wo tete na ye wo maame na wasan ba bio because of the rapport between you and your mother no there's no way that mother can go based on karma its own rules no that person need to reincarnated back to you. Because more unfinished business, that unfinished love to be completed, need to be completed. So obi a wo tete no abrabo mu na uwi na wakofa book bi wakofa picture bi na wakai wo maame na wahwe na no wasuma de nko wote ase obi ka se bi kire wana awra ho se nka maame te ase a wo maame no physically as you can see your mother is not alive but your mother must be a reincarnated body a wo fi bi a wo tete no. So respect everybody that comes to your life. You must not get it. Yedi ye niema bi say na man 40 minutes sort your rough. Let's say me wudi matem, the table can turn. I can be at your level as an ordinary Ghanaian. You can also be a supernatural being be a was oche obi mo osua de. So when table turn na say me sort to accept it. So at times we do accept that. Ye nipa ye butumi fu ba de tin say de wudi ye obi no it will end up come to you. It yen hya sa niema no nso. Eni ntin de ntiema niema be free ye nchen no. Obi a wo do na say press a wo kura ne picture abre ni abre nyina no. Say nipa na ba wo nchen in real life e bia na yo ba wo tete say nipa no you think say that person have anything or they buy or they be mount no obi free wo nchen ko na so do wana mu dom ho a onipa won koi there are sort of witnesses maybe we no might get time to talk about it but me try will say onipa wo abrabo mu bia wo mo treating no must be your loved one bia what departed long time ago. So treat that person with respect. If your departed mother Odona, treat your children with respect because one of your children might be your mother reincarnated back to you because of the love you share together. Young trust utenie. Enema bi ameno ye na brabom, we are continuing about the lesson today, which is restoration. Enema bi ameno ye na brabom ye lusu niema bebre in life. For example, ye bo amangu bia say ebe fifi, ebe nyini, ebe so aba, ebe bring many party di. So other na amangu bi nkwasi community bia since see ho enwura nkwa na eso enso aduane da. Na chese there is something wrong somewhere. All other amangos are etwa wo ho ase nyina so eno nkwa nso. Kube de si wo mantam no, kube be etwa ne si oni nyina so ba ko pesi mu de enso tentia na eyeko. Na chese there is something wrong somewhere. At the normal circumstances no, kube so nka wo se eso na enso ye. So oni pa nyina wo one of unique thing in life or omo ye ma bo mabrabo. Ada na wo nkwa oni you have it. But because of say bibia te bayra ho amunti ama bayra ye de be am akese no. Na so va ko pe me no ye ho aye ba besuane. There are some few things that over beye I betimi abo I restore that energy. But after doing these things, the dangerous thing is there. Don't go back to hard. Your vomit. You have to change it before everything will end up. So what's the sana? Then you find what next to it. Wabre ukre jamuna unyenye jerimuno. Men minister won someone shisho won some because shisho. So person won some shisho nu jai dia. E jade kura won jamu tuo. That's the simplest analogy I will tell you. Say ade na ukura mu no ensu oto e na ugina ensu no. E na akura na so hu fo enti anya odai. So person ensu no be bo dia. The only thing you need to do is say free ensu no na ensu na mo. So you are holding something that is bringing yourself down. Instead of to live and forget that thing, you are still holding that thing, but you are still calling for change. So at time me posting your website, there are some people who are calling for change, but indeed, truly they are not ready for change. That is how life is. Tienye, how to prepare this restoration direction. Tienye, obepe emu. There are only 2 days you can do this. Tienye, either say okrada, and I say edaya water. So we ya water ni there, that is the prepare for you. So either say okrada, and I edaya water. Ye ubeni, ubepe emu, ubeto mu na wanu asa mu no. Unu amu ni wi aso o sika to drink fa ka hom. Frɛ nkora nkete. Men frɛ penny. Emu penny bi stre wa betima mani bi. But your aim is not about the penny. Pen nkora nkete within your compound. O ma betimi aka ho. Obi ba betimi aka ho. Efi a wotimu nkora mo betimi aye sad na de e de amount. If so no obi ani grudge wo fie ho a. Unu obi o grudge wo fie ho de abi you know that ene ye wa wasem enye olu wasem. Tienie, ube ma nkora na didi ame with that food you prepared. It's supposed to be rice. You can add drinks to it. Make rice no rice doesn't matter, but the focus supposed to be rice. It could be rice water, it could be rice ball with soup. Rice ball there which means it could be jollof, it could be anything. The fact is that you need rice in presence of it. We are supposed to be from your heart because I consider don't think so we are favor. And crown favor. So and cranny we are a fair penino. Catch and cranny say. Me pesa mushra me. Tienye, me pesa mushra me. Said the abre nyina na metime ayado ye bi se dia mamu. Ene afoforo bi mpo mo abonte na omo ye nkora nketwa. Uwi abu nkotodwe. Ne ma nkora ne mfo omo nsanto so. Emo mpa ye mawo. Se nkora ne so to the sense they know how to say ubetimi aka nsem omo nka ahye omo no. You can ubetimi awesa omo nsem na hye omo nse bi aka say, ye say, ne ye say. You can tell them and direct them what to do in form of the prayers. It's supposed to be abofra from the age of maybe time to the age of 12 years. Did what I say? It's supposed to be abofra let's say from 2 years abofra but 2 years no empire but so let's say from 2, 3 up to 12 years abofra that range in America. I'm afraid did we are so muntimi nkasa now person more specific thing to you are. Tell them and I'll teach them what they should tell you, how they should use as a prayers for you. So omo de omo nye chompa yakro omo na bunkotodwe na mofran fo omo nsangu wa pampa mutiri so emmo mpa ye mfamma. Those nkura no enye ordinary nkura. It may be your oba, but whenever abofra is taking a lead on something na nyankopon ena speak through them. Nyankopon aye and God will work through them because they represent spirit and positive energies around us. Entina mofra and you negative just like us because the energy around them is positive more than us. Into whom abofrane bomb paya you are done. This aquancha you can repeat it anytime you want. It could be any awawuda biabet my opa anya ukrada ye okrada ye wawuda. Mostly people don't get it. The date of birth and the year of birth, me who are missing portraying. Me fa say I'm a Monday born just like me. Monday I can choose to do it. And I say be do my woda me celebrating my birthday I can also do that. And I say be a Thursday, and I can do that. So you can choose to do it every week or every month or beginning of every month or every Monday born. Month be a first Monday of that month. I can choose to do this. Or first Thursday of that month, you can choose to do this. Or every day, every Saturday, and I say Thursday and a Monday, and I will cry that when I use Monday or Saturday, that represents your credit. But it must be your credit or Thursday. So whether you water or credit, but my year. So they don't want to obey. It depends on you, and maybe you seek out one they will pay. A young mofra, it can be your own children. But say your ma, say you now if you do money, and then your top money at the moment of pole. It is almost 10 cedis no pebia for music and and sana one caso is a pesika away. Men for mu 10 cedis no and way more because omadi did no. We answer what say no. So be a young man at the normal circumstance be a woman or baby at 10 cedis no pa. Men gana sa 10 cedis ka say o kra dey Sunday dinner or motivate you no dey no money no we almost no. You have to give the 10 cedis to them first before you use your own separate money to do that. It could be outside of Mofra Prasoma. You could be even eliminated your mark from in, and the outsiders can do it for you. So for us, when you will be any grudge, you can do this, and this will help you, and this will restore everything you have lost in life for you. So it based on restoration. So the one person can restore man, will tell them to do. Even it could be say your business, and now will turn near my papa. You need to restore your customers back. So restoration naturally doesn't mean say. Nneɛma a wode fra wo yɛ ba yɛ nko a it could be anything. So what I say ebi a wotɔn nneɛma wotumi yɛ sales maybe 5,000 a day and ebi a 2 cedi kura wotumi yɛ that means you have lost something there. You need to restore your customers and your sales daily back. So you will tell the children to pray on that side. So my friend Batman will be about prayer separated based on your need. You can let them do together. That doesn't spoil the show. These are the ways you can use or you can do to restore your energy, to restore your lost things be a uhia the back in life. Where you also back but the Small Boy OluMan in Ghana. And don't forget to subscribe and somebody can boss say Olu has started once again. Olu has set up certain things to do this. I won't let this microphone and everything to go waste. I personally bought all these things because of I want to serve mankind. I want to use this opportunity to teach some things. This is my job. This is my business. So you need to do it. You need to subscribe and share to support Heal Yourself. Very soon, but the number beba ubetimi afre near this uncommon. Even for support my Heal Yourself, you can use that number and everything will be okay. I don't want to use my personal number. I want to use a separate number and tell the name of the Heal Yourself GH and everything because now Heal Yourself has been officially registered as Heal Yourself Herbal and everything has been set. So I need to do my job. And yes, I'll call the license and come and sit. No, there are certain that I'm putting in place. That license will be beneficial. But now, no. So far as everything has not come and me want me social media platform and social media handles, no. I need to do these things to help mankind. So don't forget to subscribe and share for others also to benefit from this platform. But more than I say, unsubscribe, you do that. So subscribe so you will share for others to also benefit. Your Heal Yourself platform, all social media platforms are the same Heal Yourself GH. But when it comes to YouTube, we have 3 channels. The first one and the main one is the one you are watching me from, Heal Yourself Herbal and Heal Yourself GH. The second one, Heal Yourself Herbal, and the third one is the Small Boy OluMan. So, but more than so, best subscribe to all for others to also benefit. The new social media platform created by Mark Zuckerberg is Thread and a Heal Yourself GH. Facebook, Ninja, so everywhere, a Heal Yourself GH. Do justice to us and let Heal Yourself also grow. And one day, your name will be mentioned among or more Heal Yourself. Subscribe and share. We didn't say.